In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Power Thesaurus to Chrome. By the end, you'll have a quick way to look up synonyms, antonyms, and related words without leaving your browser, which is great for clearer emails, stronger essays, and more confident writing. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is up, head to the Chrome Web Store. When the store loads, look for the search bar and type Power Thesaurus. You'll see a list of results. Click the one labeled Power Thesaurus to open its extension page. On that page, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to install it. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically, and you may see a brief message confirming it's ready to use. That's all it takes to install. After the installation, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. Click it to open your extensions list. Find Power Thesaurus in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Power Thesaurus button visible on your toolbar so you can open it whenever you need it without digging through menus. If you don't see it immediately, the list is scrollable, so take a quick look through. Now click the Power Thesaurus icon on your toolbar to open the extension. You'll see a simple search box. Type any word you're working with and start exploring. You can search for synonyms to find alternatives with similar meanings, antonyms to find words with opposite meanings, and related words to discover terms that are connected in context. As you browse results, aim for words that match your tone and intent, formal, casual, persuasive, or concise, so your writing stays natural. You can also work directly on web pages. Highlight any word on a website, then right-click the selected text to see quick synonyms from Power Thesaurus in the context menu. This saves time because you don't have to copy and paste into a separate tool. It's especially helpful when you're editing in Google Docs, drafting an email, or polishing text in online editors. When you replace a word, read the surrounding sentence to make sure the new choice fits both meaning and style. That's it. You've installed Power Thesaurus, pinned it for easy access, and learned how to search for synonyms, antonyms, and related words, plus how to use quick lookups by highlighting and right-clicking. With these tools, you can tighten your writing and vary your vocabulary right inside Chrome.